The origins of Kanban.
Kanban originated in the 1940s at Toyota, where it was developed as a visual scheduling system to improve manufacturing efficiency. The word Kanban means signboard in Japanese. Using cards on boards, teams tracked tasks and inventory, helping to identify bottlenecks and streamline production. This method laid the foundation for a revolutionary approach to workflow management.
From factory floors to Agile software.
In the 21st century, Kanban principles were adapted beyond manufacturing. Software development teams embraced Kanban to manage work in progress, visualize tasks, and encourage steady improvement. Its flexible structure allowed teams to handle complex projects, reduce inefficiencies, and collaborate more effectively, fueling the rise of Agile methodologies worldwide.
Kanban boards meet personal productivity.
Inspired by professional success, individuals began using Kanban boards to organize daily life and personal projects. Visualizing tasks on a simple board, typically divided into columns like to do, doing, and done, helped users stay focused and motivated. This adaptation made productivity tools accessible and practical outside workplace settings.
Tracking habits with Kanban.
People quickly recognized Kanban's potential for habit tracking. By mapping small, repeatable habits onto a board, users could see progress and maintain accountability. Moving a card from not started to in progress, and eventually to completed, turned goal setting into a tangible, rewarding process, helping users establish and maintain life-changing routines.
The ongoing evolution of Kanban.
Today, Kanban boards exist in both physical and digital forms, used by teams and individuals alike. The method continues to evolve, inspiring new applications for productivity, wellness, and personal growth. Kanban's core idea, making work visible, remains at the heart of its enduring appeal, guiding people from the industrial age to modern self-improvement.